Would you trust a robot to invest money for you? If your immediate response is a resounding no way, I urge you to watch till the end of this video, as you may be overlooking a really big opportunity to substantially multiply your wealth. AI software, particularly ChatGPT, is revolutionizing our world in unpredictable ways. Its proficiency extends from enhancing emails to writing papers for college students and even meticulously picking out stock for investments. Indeed, the market is a creature of unpredictability. Despite our extensive knowledge and analytical forecasts, the market frequently dances to its own unpredictable rhythm. The question then arises, is ChatGPT truly more adept to picking stocks than a human? Finder.com put that question to the test. And a surprising twist, a basket of stocks selected by ChatGPT significantly outperformed some of the most popular investment funds in the United Kingdom. The experiment ran from March 6th to April 28th and used a simulated portfolio of 38 stocks chosen by ChatGPT. This AI-controlled portfolio demonstrated a robust growth of 4.9%. In contrast, the 10 leading investment funds reported an average loss of 0.8% over that same period. The experiment's methodology was simple. Finder's analysts chose the 10 most popular UK funds on the trading platform Interactive Investor as a benchmark for comparing the performance of the ChatGPT-generated fund. The selected funds included those managed by leading financial institutions such as HSBC and Fidelity. The ChatGPT stock collection was based on commonly used investment criteria, including companies with a low level of debt and a strong track record of growth. This approach resulted in the selection of highly successful companies such as Microsoft, Netflix, and Walmart. Looking at the broader market, the S&P 500 index, which tracks the 500 most valuable companies in the United States, rose 3% during this 8-week period. The Stoxx Europe 600 index, Europe's equivalent, saw a modest increase of 0.5% over that same 8-week period. However, the AI ChatGPT fund managed to outperform even these major indices. These figures show a remarkable achievement by ChatGPT, reflecting the potential of AI financial analysis and decision-making. ChatGPT's performance raises a significant question. Are we on the brink of seeing a shift in the financial investment sector? I would certainly think so. But despite the promising results, public opinion still remains divided. According to a survey conducted by Finder among 2,000 UK adults, 8% had already used ChatGPT for financial advice, while 19% said they would consider doing so. In contrast, over 35% indicated they would not use a chatbot to help make decisions about their money. The potential of AI in the financial decision-making cannot be overlooked. As AI technology advances and becomes increasingly accessible, we could well be on the verge of a major shift in the investment landscape. The rise of AI-assisted financial advice, as showcased by ChatGPT, signals an exciting future for retail investors. However, it is crucial to approach the new era with a balanced perspective, appreciating both the opportunities and challenges that it presents. After all, a blend of human expertise and AI intelligence might be the most powerful combination. So I ask you again, would you let a robot invest your money for you? In the comments below, let me know how you feel about ChatGPT picking your investments. Please subscribe to my channel where I'll provide more personal finance and wealth building tips. Thanks for watching.